Good morning children. Today I am going to explain exercise 4 in mental math subject. See the first problem. Write the number name. Write the number name of 152, 004, 632 in the universal system. In the universal system. See, already you know the difference between Indian system and universal system. In Indian system, first period consists 3 digits and the remaining all the periods consist of 2 digits. And first period is hundreds, second period is thousand, third period is lakhs, fourth period is crores, like that. But in the universal system, each period consists of 3 digits. And observe here, this is the period consisting 3 digits, and this is hundreds period, and this is also consisting 3 digits. This is thousands period, and this is millions period. Okay, na? See, write down the number name. 152 million, 152 million, 52 millions, 4,000, 632, 32. That is the number name for that number. 152 million 4,632. Okay, let's see the next second problem. Write the prime factors. Write the prime factors. Write the prime factors of 32 in index form. In index form. In index form or notation, whatever it. Okay. See, this is a new word for you. Okay, na? So you are in 5th class. That means next you are going to higher section. In that higher section, you use this term is more and more times. Index notation. What is the definition of that index? See, already you know in the lower sections. In your class, repeated addition is multiplication. See how to write this 3 into 4. Here 3 is added 4 times. Okay. See what is this is called addition form. This is called addition form. Okay, or multiplication notation. See, index notation means when you multiply the same number. When you multiply the number so many times, here I am multiplying here 4 times. When you multiply the number so many times, to write it as index form. How many times you multiply, you have to write in the power of that base. Here this 3 is called base. This 3 is called base and this 4 is called power. Okay, no? Power. This notation is known as index notation or exponential notation. Both are same. Index notation or exponential notation. Exponential notation. Okay. See, so many members are confused to write this. Somebody wrote this 3 plus higher section. In higher section, some students wrote like write here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 3 power 4. But here the given sign is addition. In addition, you write that as multiplication form. If you multiply the same number so many times, you write it as index form or exponential form. See, here they are asking the question is 32 in index notation. And here they are asking to use only prime factors. So for that you have to do the long division. 32. 32 is a even number, so it will go in even prime. Only even prime is 2, you have to do with 2 16 also even number you had with prime 2, so it is 8, and D8 is also a even number, so you have to do with 2, and 2 2s are 2 1s are. See, observe here, 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 multiplied here? 5 times you write it as 2 power 5. That is the index notation. Okay, go for the next one. Third problem. How many seconds are there in 2 hours? Third problem. How many seconds? How many seconds are there in 2 hours? In 2 hours. Okay. See, they are asking to convert hours into seconds here. They are asking to convert hours into. These conversions are very important. Okay, na? So you have to learn carefully. Meters into centimeters, centimeters into meters, kilometers into meters, grams into kgs, kgs into grams. So many are confused to convert these units. Okay, na? So you have to learn in lower sections carefully. Then you may not confuse in that higher sections. Okay, na? So in intermediate students they are very confused to convert the units. They are asking whatever into another unit. Okay, na? So you have to learn carefully. So here 2 hours convert into seconds means 1 hour is equal to how many seconds you have to write. 60 minutes 1 hour is equal. And you know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So now you have to convert hour into seconds. 60 into 60 seconds. So that is 3600 seconds. Here they are asking to convert 2 hours into seconds. That is 2 into 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Okay, that is equal to 7200 seconds. For 1 hour, 7200 seconds. 7200 RMS. You have to read. Okay, go for the next problem. So conversions are very important. You have to mind in lower sections, then you have to apply in the higher section. Otherwise, you forget it. Okay, మీరు అలానే చేస్తుంటేనే మైండ్ చేయగలుగుతారు, లేదంటే మర్చిపోతూ ఉంటారు. ఓకేనా? See the fourth problem. Compare 7 by 13, 3 by 10. You have to mind in lower sections. Everything is you have to mind it. Okay, na? If you are not good in lower sections, you are not good in higher sections also. You are excellent in lower sections, you are excellent in the higher section also. Okay, na? Lower foundation ledu ante higher lo meer succeed avaleru. Okay, so you have to read carefully. You don't waste your time. See here already in the before exercise I explained how to compare the fractions. Here these two are unlike fractions. These two are unlike fractions, and here no numerators are same and no denominators are same. So in this case you have to take the cross products. 7 into 10. First you have to write down this arrow, and next otherwise you are in confusion. Okay, na? See 13 into 3, 70, 39. This 70 is greater. Therefore 7 by 13 is greater than 3 by 10. 3 by 10. That is the comparison of two fractions. Already you did these models in 4th class also. See next the 5th problem. 5th one. Tick the numbers. Tick the numbers. Tick the numbers which are divisible by 4. Which are divisible by 4. Which are divisible by 4. Here the options are given as 9500. Next one 7035. And next one 9028. one 7530. In 4th class, we learned that rule of divisibility rule for 4. So, what is the divisibility rule for 4? Rule for 4 is a number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last 2 digits. The number formed by the last 2 digits. Formed by the last 2 digits. 2 digits are divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. Okay. See here, this last 2 digits you have to circle here, and these 2 digits are in 4 table or not, you have to observe. If they come in 4 table, so those 2 digits is divisible by 4, so the number is divisible by 4. Here double 0. See, double 0 by 4 you have to divide with 4. 4 zeros, 4 zeros. 6 completely divisible. So it is the total number 9500 is divisible by 4. And next here the 2 digits is 28. 4 sevens are 28. So it's complete. This is also divisible by 4. But here 35 is odd number. 35 is odd. So in even tables no odd number will not in that odd number. So this is not divisible by 4. And here observe this 30. 30 is not in the 4 table. So it is not divisible by 4. So here the two numbers 9500 and 9028 are divisible by 4. See the next 6th one. Give the Hindu-Arabic numerals for the following. They are asking to write Hindu-Arabic numeral for these Roman numerals. Already you know how to write numeral. This is 10, 10 and 1. This is 21. See the next one. X, IX. So IX means it is a 9, 10, 10. You have to add, that is 29. Okay, 29. Go for the next 7th problem. See, express with exponents. Okay. See here they given prime factorization 5 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 5 into 7. They are asking to write this as exponents. First, whatever prime numbers involved in that product we have to write here. 2 involved and 3, 5, 7. 2 is how many times it will be in the multiplied. We have to see here 1 time only. And 3, 1, 2, that is 3 power 2. And 5, how many 5s? 1, 2, 3. So 5 cube. How many 7s? 1, 2, 3. That is 7 cube. Okay. So that is the exponential form of the given number. Given number or given product. Here the given prime factorization. See 8th one. Write 5 power 4 inwards. Now I explain that exponential form. How to read? They are asking to write in words. So this can be written as 5 power 4 or 5 power 4. That is simple form of reading 5 power 4. And in mathematically it is read as 5 is raised to the power. 5 is raised to the power 4. To the power 4. 5 is raised to the power 4. And 5 is 4 times 5 is 7. See the 9th one. A car travels 150 kilometers in 3 hours. 150 kilometers in 3 hours. How much distance how much distance will it travel? How much distance will it travel? Will it travel in 8 hours? This is also a problem, unitary method problem. Okay. See. Read the question. A car travels 150 kilometers in 3 hours. How much distance will it travel in 8 hours? See, a car completes 150 kilometers in 3 hours. Okay, it travels 3 hours. It completed distance is 150 kilometers. So we have to find for 1 hour how much distance it traveled. After that, we have to multiply with, here they are asking the question how much distance will it cover in 8 hours. So you have to find for unit hour, you have to multiply that with 8 hours. See how to write the steps. Distance traveled or distance covered, whatever it. So as you wish, distance traveled by a car in 3 hours. In 3 hours is equal to how much distance it covers on 150 kilometers. And next, distance traveled by a car in 1 hour is equal to, in 1 hour, what you have to do? We have to divide with 3 kilometers. See here 3 5s and 3 zeros. It covers 50 kilometers in 1 hour. 50 kilometers in 1 hour. But here they are asking distance covered in 8 hours. Distance travelled by a car in 8 hours. Distance travelled by a car in 8 hours is equal to. In 8 hours is equal to. So 50 kilometers into 8, that is 400 kilometers. So it covers a distance of 400 kilometers in 8 hours. Go for the next problem. And 10th problem. Express as fraction. Express as fraction. Express as fraction. See 5 sevens they given here. 5 sevens. So you are easy to write if the number name is in 5 by 7. But here they given 5 sevens, so no need to worry about that. 5 by 7 you have to read as. See, today's class completed. So I will send notes and you have to write notes neatly and you have to do homework regularly. Okay na? So you have to prepare carefully. So you are not in the school, but you have now the exam in 5th standard only. Okay, you missed that, I think, but we are giving coaching for that also. No need to worry about that. Okay, a little bit gap in between. Okay, bye Nana.